Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial as I show you how I play one of my favorite rock songs from my youth on guitar, Aimless Lady from Grand Funk Railroad. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll start the song by going up to the 7th fret on the A string, and we're going to do some strumming. I'm using a medium pick because it seems to work best for this one. Here's what we're going to play. And that's how the song starts. What we're doing is we've got our finger here on the A string, fret 7, and we're playing the open low E string and muting the rest of the strings like that with a down up strumming pattern. So we're going to strike 2 downs on that low E string and A string and then strum it out, muting it as we go like this. Now if you want this strumming part to have a deeper sound, play it down here at fret 2 by placing your finger on the 2nd fret on the A string as you strum. We're going to play it this way. Once we get past that part, we'll start strumming some chords. We'll play an E minor 7 formed this way. I'm holding down the A string at fret 2. An A6 played this way. I'm just barring from the D string down at fret 2. And a G6 with that high E string open like that. To play that chord, we're holding down the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 4, and the B string at fret 3. Strumming from the D string. So here's how we'll play that. So we're sliding into that G6 like this and doing up strums. So everything's an up strum. Da-na, 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 da-na. Up, 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 like that. You may also notice that to get this strumming pattern started, we need to start with a down strum like this. Right? So we're going to go down, up, 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 up. So all the strums are ups, like this. Up, 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 slide, up, up. So after we get that initial down up, it's all up, up. Next is the pre-chorus, and it'll be played this way. Now we play that by sliding into the chords. So slide, up, up, up. Then an open G. And that's an up, up. And then to the A6. And that's up, down, up, down. And then we're back into our regular strumming pattern. Now near the end, we're going to do a little riff that goes like this. Then back into the strumming, okay? So what we're doing there is we're going to go to the 7th fret and go down, down, and then go to the 12th fret to the 14th fret on the A string and play this. So that's hammering from fret 12 to fret 14 like that, and then strike back at the 12th fret on the D and G string. Then go back down to fret 7, hit it again, and then go up to fret 14 on the G and B string and hit it to 12. That's 14 to 12. Slide it down and come back to fret 7. Do our riff again. Then we're going to go back to fret 12, hold down the D, G, B string and go. That's 3 strikes. Fret 14. Just like that. So it's. Then we're going to start our strumming pattern again. Now near the end of the song, we'll change the way we play the chords a little bit to get this really open rock sound. We'll be playing in E minor 7, an A6 suspended 2 like this. In order to play that chord, we're putting a finger on the G string at fret 2 and the D string at fret 4 and strumming from the A string. And then we'll move into that 6 chord. Back. So here's how we'll play that. You notice that the high E string is sounding the entire time as we play these chords. And that, my friends, is how I play Aimless Lady by Grand Funk Railroad on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.